Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can post questions and start conversations on Meta AI, for example, to ask the artificial intelligence your preferred or favorite questions. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Meta AI, log into your account. So as you can see, I'm logged into my account, and what you want to do, guys, is, for example, continue one of your past conversations or start a new chat by clicking into new chat here, or use the shortcut Control K. Now you can go with one of these question suggestions here, or ask the artificial intelligence on Meta AI to create, for example, images and photos for you, or to create cards, gift cards for you, and something like that. But I would like to post a simple question, like, for example, click into Ask Anything here. And let me ask a question like, for instance, what is the highest or tallest building in, let's say, in Africa? Question mark, and then press enter or click into this button here, send, and let the artificial intelligence do the research first. And after that, Meta AI will provide you with an extensive and detailed answer like this here, so you can read through it and rate it, for example, as a good response or a bad response, copy it here, or simply post your follow-up questions below. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. As you can see, it is very simple. Your newest question or conversation will appear here in your chat history to the left, so that you can navigate to it or click into the three dots here to rename it, pin it, delete the chat. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.